whether it's Iran, whether it's Syria, whether it is Saudi, women and young girls are not stopped from getting education, not stopped from going to schools and colleges. Why are you doing this, sir, in Afghanistan? When will they be allowed to go back and get their right to education? And secondly, do you have any regrets over the brutal killing of internationally acclaimed photojournalist and our colleague Danish Siddiqui?
دې شک نشته چې موږ د نړۍ د بېلابېلو علماو او مدارسو سره تعلق لرو او له دیوبند سره تعلق ډېر زیات دی. په افغانستان کې تر کومه حده د تعلیم مسله ده، موږ اوس هم 10 میلیونه شاګردان لرو. په دې 10 میلیونه شاګردانو کې 2.8 میلیونه نجونې دي او دیني مدارسو کې هم درسونه تر انتها پورې دوام لري.
As you know, Afghanistan has experienced 4 decades of war, during which 2 periods were that of occupation. And during this period, both reporters and people of the pen, academics, lost their lives, and this includes millions of Afghans. This indeed was a bitter period in our history, and we regret all the losses that have taken place during this period. Over the last 4 years, alhamdulillah, praise be to God, during our rule, no reporter, journalist, or any other individual has been harmed or suffered any such fate. And we hope that this security that